Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Old Paper MCQ Series Part number 20. Ayub Khan died in 1974. Ayub Khan died in 1974. Bolometer measures the heat radiation. Bolometer measures heat radiation. यादगार-ए-हाली किसकी तसनीफ है? साले आबद अली की। यादगार-हाली किसकी तसनीफ है? साले आबद अली। Deficiency of vitamin D in human body can causes osteoporosis and fractures. Deficiency of vitamin D in human body can causes osteoporosis and fractures. Which is the most searched site in 2020? Google. Which is the most searched site in 2023? Google. अदबी जरीदे शब खून के मदीर का नाम क्या है? शम्सुर रहमान फारूकी। अदबी जरीदे शब खून के मदीर का नाम शम्सुर रहमान फारूकी। Which Rukn Islam is called as shield? Roza. Which Rukn Islam is called as shield? Roza. Who is the author of the book The Last Day of Qaid-e-Azam? Ilahi Baksh. Who is the author of the book The Last Days of the Qaid-e-Azam? Ilahi Baksh. Ghar Sor is mentioned in Surah Al-Tawbah. Ghar Sor is mentioned in Surah Al-Tawbah. The principal organ of United Nations are six. The principal organ of United Nations are six. The Second World War started in September 1939. The Second World War started in September 1939. कौन सी किताब इमाम अबू हनीफा से मंसूब की जाती है? असार। कौन सी किताब इमाम अबू हनीफा से मंसूब की जाती है? किताबुल असार। सूरा नहल मीन्स हनी बी। सूरा नहल मीन्स हनी बी, ये शहद की मक्खियां। नहल लफ्जी मतलब शहद की मक्खी। Outer layer of the human skin is called epidermis. Outer layer of the human skin is called epidermis. Which of the following is the strongest and longest bone of the human body? Femur. Femur is strongest and longest bone of human body. Which of the following is the largest gland of the human body? Liver is largest gland of the human body. RBC are also erythrocytes. RBC are also called as erythrocytes. Red blood cells are also called as erythrocytes. Jahangir Khan was famous for game squash. Jahangir Khan was famous due to squash game. Lord Canning was the Governor General of India from 1856 to 1862. Lord Canning was the Governor General of India from 1856 to 1862. Which country has longest labor force? China. Which country has largest labor force? China. Who is the current IG Balochistan Police? Abdul Khalik Sheikh. Current IG of Balochistan Police, Abdul Khalik Sheikh. Which High Court recently declares each lawn illegal? Lahore High Court. Lahore High Court declares each lawns are illegal. Current Governor of Punjab is Baligur Rahman. Current Governor of Punjab is Baligur Rahman. Which is the largest port on Red Sea? Jeddah Port is largest port on Red Sea. Which surah is called as the heart of Holy Quran? Surah Yasin.